Have you ever wanted to create animated videos but thought, I don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll teach you how to use powerful AI tools to make your own animations, step by step. Ready to become an animation pro? Let's get started. Step 1. Generate characters and scenes with Leonardo. Our first step is creating characters and scenes using Leonardo.ai, a powerful AI image generator. This tool makes it super easy to turn your ideas into visually stunning images. First, head to Leonardo.ai and create a free account. Once inside, describe your vision in the text box. For example, type a 3D animated boy waving in a sunny park. Select the 3D animation style model, adjust the image size, and click Generate. In seconds, you'll get beautiful images. Modify the prompt as needed to create more characters or unique settings. Download your images when ready. Step 2. Transform images into videos with Runway Mail. Now that you have your images, it's time to bring them to life using Runway Mail. This tool's Gen 2 feature turns static images into short animated videos. Go to runwaymail.com, sign up for free, and upload your image to the Gen 2 tool. Add prompts to guide the animation style, like make the character wave and smile. Click Generate, and watch your image transform into a 4-second video. Download your animated video when it's ready. Step 3. Extend and combine videos in Clipchamp. Finally, to create longer animations, we'll use clipchamp.com, a free and simple video editing tool. Import your short videos into Clipchamp and follow this trick. Capture the last frame of your video as an image. Return to Runway Mail, upload that frame, and generate a continuation animation. Download the new animation, then upload it into Clipchamp and place it after the first clip. This process seamlessly extends your video, and you can repeat it to make even longer animations. And that's it. You now know how to create animated videos with AI in 3 simple steps. Generate characters with Leonardo.ai, animate them with Runway Mail, and extend your creations with Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'd love to see your creations, so share your experience in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.